top of Rostro del Maya after an hour-and-a-half hike, and we're looking over Lake Atitlan on a part of our journeys. Yeah, we hooked up with this guy in the middle of the night in a small town in Guatemala. Thanks for BCO. He's taking us in and out of the jungle so far.
Yeah.
He's not dead yet.
Still in good shape though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.